So I've had this parcel come. It's something I've been waiting for quite a while. Well, not quite a while, but a couple of weeks or so. And I'm very excited about it. I'll show you what it is after this. Roll credits. So let's get stuck right in. It's come from a channel called, I can't remember the name. I shall put it up on screen. This is the channel this came from, and I shall once I fought my way through this. Ooh, it's another box. I can go there. This is like past the parcel, and when you see what it is, you will. That's why I've got to be a little bit careful opening it. Oh, I can see it. I can see it. The reason I'm calling this past the parcel is because I'm going to open this box, and inside is another box and some toilet rolls. Now check this out. Airfix fans. Have a look at this. So I've just made sure I'm talking about the right channel, and it is the Matt Line 1967 channel, and you should be seeing a little screenshot of his own page on YouTube somewhere here. And what he does on that channel is, if you're interested in sort of 60s, 70s, kids TV, Thunderbirds, Captain Scarlet, all that sort of stuff, you will know that a lot of the vehicles were made from existing model kits. And in some of his videos, he breaks down what kits and bits were used for which vehicle, etc. I mean, the girder bridge in Thunderbird, well, in Jerry Anderson, is a legend. And also, he does fantasy box artwork, of which this Roy Cross box is one. And if you ever wondered about seeing, say, the UFO vehicles in Airfix boxes, Captain Scarlet vehicles, and lots of other programs and series that are on television, and not just Airfix boxes, imagine sort of stuff in Revel boxes, Aurora Monogram, all that kind of thing. He does mock-ups of them on his channel. It is a good watch, and he does actually produce those boxes, in real life. So I'm really chuffed with this. I've just sat Roy on top of some of his other work, some of his actual work. Now, this shooting star kit, this is what I built after Roy passed away as tribute build, and so it's kind of fitting that he's next to it, and they are all the same style. So I think that's it. I'm going to put a link to the channel in the description as well of this video. and check him out. Give him a like, give him a subscribe. It's good stuff. I love it. If you're a certain age, such as me, you will love it. And all I've got to say is a big thank you to Matt Line 1967 for sorting this out for me.